Don Christensen and I are here representing the Peacemakers Group to give the Peacemaking Award for 2013. I'm very pleased and thrilled and honored, actually, to introduce Claire Romey as our 2013 award winner. Claire has always been at this church and has learned through so many different experiences, and I'm very excited. Our subcommittee reviewed her application, and what we found is that Claire's interest will be in going to Costa Rica this summer and working with children who there's a great need for support of immigrants who've come to Costa Rica, and there's some kind of related poverty that we can imagine occurs with immigration. And so she'll be learning Spanish. I imagine you've learned a lot already. Yeah, some. Yeah, which of course in communicating helps so much. Claire noted in her application that Macalester Plymouth has always been a congregation that wants to help others through understanding. And I thought that was so key, because in walking in the shoes of other people is how we really learn to respect and understand others. And I believe that our young adults see the gospel working in their lives. At least I do, and I think the congregation does. I want to thank the congregation. We are awarding $1,000 to Claire for this opportunity, and we hope to continue this award each year. We are accepting donations. If you want to write a check, note Peacemaking Award clearly in the memo. I really am excited about your upcoming trip, Claire, and the Peacemaking Group, Mission Social Justice, all are very, very much, and I think the whole congregation here behind you, and we'll keep you in our prayers. Congratulations.